This video will show you how to manually grade assignments and quizzes in Moodle, and also how to override grades in the grader report when necessary. Many activities, quizzes, assignments, etc. are automatically graded based on how the assignment was set up. Some assignments are graded manually, for example threaded discussions. So instructors and graders need to enter those grades manually. To start, log into Moodle and open the course you want to edit. In the left menu pane, select Grades to open the Grader Report view. Click the Turn Editing On button at the top. To manually grade an activity for a student, find the activity name in the column headings, and in the row for the student, enter the grade under that column. Now enter any other grades you need to manually change for this course. When done entering the manual grades, scroll to the bottom of the screen and click Save Changes. Now that is done, let's look at overriding grades. If you entered the manual grade into an assignment which is automatically graded, for example quizzes, the grader report will now show the manually entered grade with a tan background color to indicate the calculated grade was overridden. If you entered items that are not automatically graded, for example forums, the items will have the normal white background, since it is always entered manually. When editing the grader report, you can enter any manual grade you wish and click Save when done. If for any reason you need to change an automatic grade that you previously overrode, click the gear icon above that grade field and unclick the overridden checkbox. After clicking Save, this will clear the override and put the field's background back to white. Grade fields for manually graded activities, such as forums, will not have an overridden checkbox, since they are always entered manually. That's what you need to know to set manual grades and override grades. Thank you.